Good midnight, good whatever you are, wherever you are on earth. It's your boy again this evening, David, live from IFX Studio. Okay, people, this is the UK Crude Oil CFD daily Forex trading analysis. I did this analysis like last week. I think I did all this last week. And look at it this week. Today's Thursday, and look at where the market is. You understand? So I've done all this even before last week. It's been like this. I've done all this analysis, and look at it. The market is following the exact pattern that I drew down. So people, before we go on, you understand? Let's please, I really appreciate it if you could like, share, subscribe, click on the notification button on all of my social media pages: Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, Snapchat. I really appreciate it. So people, let's get down to business. I did this like the cover kind of trend line. I've done that for like more than 2 3 months now that I've drew that. You understand? So now I've did all this analysis some times ago, but all this the zigzag kind of trend line that I did, the arrow up, the arrow down for thing, I did that. I think early last week I did all this. Yeah, so here's my point, people. This is not all those ones are there before, but I just solidify it last week. So people, this is my point. My point is that should you look at the market, you know that the market is going to the exact direction that I said it would go. Should you check this? This is December 11th. I think the last time that I did this was December 11th. You can see December 11th. What's today's date? Today is 16th, 17th. Yeah, today's 17th. You understand? And I did this December 11th, so that was like 6 days ago. You understand that I wrote this, that should the market hit this avenue, that is going to go up. But even at the expense of should it hit, the arrow is already pointing it up. You understand? When I said the market will hit this point, the market did exactly what I said in this place. And I've done all this a long time ago, and I said the market is climbing up because the bullish side of the market, it's a CFD, the bullish side of the market, the buyers are getting more than the sellers. So people, please, I beg you, please, before we proceed on this, please, I beg you, please, help your boy, show your boy some love, please, people. Please try to like, share, subscribe, click on the notification button on all of my social media pages, just like I said: Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, Facebook. So people, let's proceed with what we're doing. Should we check this market from the back? Let's just check it. Let's start the checking from here. This is 17th April of 2020. You understand? The market changed. The market was trying to go bearish. The sellers are trying to gain the strength in October 16, 2020. No, October 16, 2020. It was uh April 16, 2020. You understand? No, April 20, 2020. You get it? So the market tried to change direction in April 2020, and the market tried to change direction, try to speak some specific language, but the market strength, the buyer strength wasn't strong enough. You understand? So the seller strength wasn't strong enough. The bearish strength wasn't strong enough. So it took another reversal. It did this April 21, 2020. It brought it down a little bit. Let's just go from April 20, and see how many pips does this bring. You understand? Let's go. I'm coming from this place. I'm coming 2868, 2868, 2868. I'm coming. These people, let me just do some few calculation. 2868, 1857. Okay. 1857, 2868, 357, 1, 1, 0, 1. So this means it went down like 101 pip from here to this place. You understand? From April 2020 to April 21st, 2020, it went down 101 pips. You understand? But the market changed direction from the what's it called? The market changed direction on the 22nd of April 2020. You understand? The market changed direction from there, and when it hits this very point, the market start climbing up. The buyers are more. The buyers start gaining strength. The buyers start dominating the market. The buyers start claiming territories in the market, which is a very, very, very good thing. I've been in this trade. I trade this very market. I traded it. I think I start trading it somewhere around here. Yeah, when I did the analysis, that was June 8th. Yeah, I remember. I could show you the live account result. No, not with this very broker, but I traded this very market. You get it? So I've been in this market and I've analyzed things. You understand? I analyze things. So I was on the market since like June 8th. You understand? And the market keep going. I keep studying the market, and the market, all this war zone, all this place, what it proves to me is that the market is going up, and here it starts trying to change direction and show me the solidification of the new direction. You get it? Because I took another P from this place to this place, and I make some little money. You get it? So when it comes, it comes to this direction and it dominates the market again. Well, the market was able to change direction on November 2nd, last month, and the market changed direction fully. It solidified its uptrend, its bullish kind of strength. It solidified the bullish trend within let me see, this October 30th. It solidified its reversal from since September 10 to October 30th. It solidified its reversal. It shows us that the bullish are going to take over the market, which they fortunately did. You get it? The buyers took over the market, and the market changed directions, and I never for 1 second guess that the market is not still an uptrending market. Just like I analyzed all this, just like I drew all this trend line that the market is going up, and the market kept going up. You understand? Should you check my older statistics, you'll see all these things there. Should you watch my old videos, you'll see all this analysis there. So this is not an analysis that I just jump out of the blue and I was saying, oh, it's going to go like that, it's going to go like this, and it didn't go to that direction. Or I said, oh, it's going to hit up a little bit and it will hit down and all that. I start saying all sort of things that is not real. I said it here that the market will hit this very point and it will reverse. Yeah, it came like a reversal. It came like the buyers, you understand, the bearish pattern, but it wasn't that bearish much. You get it? But the market was able to change direction just as I forecasted. You understand? And it keep following the trend, uptrending market. It keep following the uptrending statistics. It keep going up. It keep proving itself, which is a very, very good thing. This market is going to close tomorrow evening. I think so. The market is going to close tomorrow evening. Yeah. So the market is still on right now. What's it? Let me see. Yeah. Stop. Yeah. The market. Yeah. As the market is like that, this market is going to close tomorrow for the weekend. You understand? And it's going to start another direction. It's going to start, it's going to open on Monday again. You understand? So as the market is, just like I said, I forecasted that the market is going up, and I'm really, really happy about that because it did exactly what I said the market would do. It did exactly, it worked exactly how I forecasted. You understand? How me and my team forecasted. Don't let me say I for thing like that. And I'm really, really happy about this. Honestly, I'm really, really happy about this. You get me? So it's not that anything special or whatever, what if, you understand, but I am happy that at least I was able to I'm in the position to explain this. I'm not saying that I'm perfect, but I'm trying to put things in place, which is very, very good, which I really, really appreciate. And I'll really appreciate you people if you could share, subscribe, click on the notification button on all of my social media pages, Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, Facebook. We're still watching this market. I believe it's going to change direction very soon. It's going to try to like come down a little bit, but as it is like right now, the bullish, the buyers are really gaining the strength. You get it? The bullish, the buying side are really gaining strength in this very crude oil, the UK crude oil CFD. You understand the daily chart, the buyers are really gaining strength. So people are really appreciate it. Just like I said earlier, if you could like, share, subscribe, click on the notification button on all of my social media pages, Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, Facebook. And people, I'm just really happy that me and my team, that we opportune to like explain what this market is gonna do. So people, trade safe, trade wise, don't be greedy. God help us all. Have a good one and happy weekend. That's just what I'll call it. So people, stay safe. See you in my next video. Have a good one. Bye.
Be humble. Really, no matter what you have, you can be a very powerful person, a very wealthy person, a very popular person, a very good-looking person. You can be whatever. But you need to be humble. People will love you when you're down to earth, when you are a normal human being like everyone else.